Thanks for stopping by our new website. You know, wet basements are among the most common, worst, and unhealthy problems that homeowners face. The decision to end your nightmare is a big one, but it doesn't have to be a difficult or an expensive one. Hi, I'm Joe Schaffner with All Dry Basement Systems. Our proven system requires no jackhammering of your basement, no backhoes digging up your yard, and is guaranteed with a lifetime warranty with over 20 years of experience.
We've lived here actually about 10 years now, and of those 10 years, actually over 9 of them we're constantly dealing with a wet basement.
First I caulked the cracks. We continued to leak. We had carpet in the basement which got wet. Twice.
Every time it rained, we always had a wet basement. I mean, it was without fail.
Put epoxy stuff in them. They still leaked. Well, this continued on. We done this, I guess, for about almost a year.
Yeah, we would go on trips and we would look and see it at home. It would be raining and we would just dread coming home because of the thought of having all the water in the basement. You could never have anything on the floor. You always had to have everything put up and never have carpet. It ruined anything.
Our situation was desperate because we were getting water pouring in the basement when it would rain.
We dug out the corner of the house and all the way down below the foundation and tried to put some silicone and then some concrete, and that didn't work even.
Yeah, nothing worked. We went for years. It was just an absolute nightmare.
We tried everything possible, and then we called All Dry Basement System after a friend of mine told me about them.
You know, almost a decade of wet basement problems, and then finally one day I just happened to hear about All Dry. With a name like that, sounds like something we'd be interested in. And so we gave them a call. They came out, gave us a quick estimate, and I mean, literally took them about 24 hours to get our basement done.
And since they fixed it, we have not had no trouble with water or anything else.
Since that day, which has been about a year and a half now, not even one drop of water in our basement, not even one.
We can actually use the basement now as part of the house.
It's hard to believe, and this sounds almost over the top, but it has changed your life. When you don't have to worry about your basement, you don't have to worry about ruining your things downstairs, you don't have to worry about the drywall or replacing the carpet. I mean, the peace of mind, the money that we are saving, the money we should have done this years ago with All Dry.
I mean, it ended our problems altogether.
I would recommend it to anyone with chronic wet basement problems, absolutely.
It'd be one of the better investments you'll make in your home.
Why even suffer one more day with that wet basement when our proven system can be installed in almost one day? Don't let someone tear up your yard or dig up your basement. Outside drain systems cost up to 5 times more than our solution and usually will fail in less than 10 years. Basement sealers rarely last more than 6 months. But All Dry Basement Systems is fast, affordable, and guaranteed for life. Isn't it about time to make your basement an all-dry basement?